Hi, my name is Jay,
And I'm David.
and we in Life RX Wellness. What's the Life RX Wellness? It's a new approach for massage therapy. We go to your house, you can come to us, but the main idea to find out the cause in your pain. And no matter what type of pain,
No matter what type of pain, could be shoulder pain, range of motion, you feel like when you're sitting a long time, your back hurts, you feel something's off, or there's an injury from many years ago, and that's giving you problems.
that trauma always comes up later. Trust me, in childhood. So we try to do assessment. We get this booklets, which is we've been built on our own in many years of experience and practice on people in many cases. So we want to find the problem, treat the problem, reassessment, and create this long relationship. So book online.
And you'll see a difference. You'll see a difference between us and other people.
Correct. So give us a call, book online. We're here to help. Bye-bye.
Bye.